Think about the last time you got a simple paper cut. You winced, maybe put on a bandage, and then you forgot about it. A few days later, the cut is gone. Vanished. It's an everyday miracle we take for granted. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does the body actually heal itself? Welcome back to Secrets of Curiosity. The moment your skin breaks, an alarm sounds. Within seconds, your body initiates a 4-stage mission. First, stop the bleeding. Tiny cells called platelets rush to the wound, clumping together to form a plug. A protein called fibrin then weaves a strong mesh over it, creating a stable clot. Next is the cleanup crew. This is the inflammation stage. Specialized white blood cells arrive to fight off any invading bacteria and clear away damaged cells. This is why a healing cut might look red and swollen. It is a sign that your internal army is hard at work. Once the area is clean, it's time to rebuild. In the proliferation stage, new tissue is created. Cells called fibroblasts produce collagen, which acts like a scaffold for the new structure. Tiny new blood vessels form to bring oxygen and nutrients to the construction site. Finally, the remodeling stage. The new tissue is reorganized and strengthened, and the wound contracts. Over time, the scar that forms will fade as the collagen becomes more aligned. This entire, perfectly coordinated process happens automatically, without a single conscious thought from you. It's a testament to the incredible healing power built into our very biology. If you found this journey into the body's healing power fascinating, please give this video a like. It helps our channel grow. And be sure to join us next time on Secrets of Curiosity, as we explore another of our world's amazing secrets.